Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be a super easy pechuga guisada en salsa or stewed chicken breast in tomato sauce. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to be working with some bell peppers, some red onion, some cilantro, tomato paste, a chicken bouillon cube, and here you see a yellow seasoning packet, but I actually used an orange seasoning packet. I'm also going to be using some sofrito. I have this video up in my channel. I'm going to be using 3 medium-sized chicken breasts that I washed and cleaned and I cut up to my preference. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oregano. I added 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of sofrito, and I'm going to mix everything really well together. My pan has been going on medium-high heat to heat up, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to let that heat up for about a minute, and I'm going to add in my chicken bouillon cube. I like to use Maggi chicken bouillon cubes, specifically the ones that have the chicken with the black outline. Why that one? Because that's the one with the Dominican flavors. Then I'm going to break up my chicken bouillon cube, and I'm going to add my seasoned chicken breast to the pan. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to allow them to cook for another couple of minutes on the other side as well. Then I'm going to come in and I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to mix my chicken breast and tomato paste together to combine the two, but don't worry if there are clumps of tomato paste. Eventually, when I add in the water, it begins to dilute and it cooks really well together. Speaking about water, so in the same bowl that I seasoned my chicken breast, all I do is add in about a cup or 2 of water so it could pick up the remaining seasoning that stayed on the bowl. I'm going to add in about 2 cups of water along with my onions and I'm going to mix everything together. You see that there are still clumps of tomato paste? Again, don't worry about it. That's completely normal. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 orange seasoning packet. I'd like to note that I like to use the seasoning packets from the Accent brand. Specifically, these are called condiment seasoning packets and they come in yellow and in orange. And I like to use this brand because they're never too orange or too yellow. Always the perfect color and they're never salty. I'm going to mix that in for some little added color, but if you're more of a naturalist person, you can certainly use natural achiote powder or achiote seeds or aceite de vija, which is achiote oil. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my small bunch of cilantro and I'm going to cover my pot for 10 minutes. This has been going on medium-high heat. At the end of those 10 minutes, all I'm going to do is open up my pot, mix everything around together, and then I'm going to add in my bell peppers. Whatever bell peppers you have on hand, use those. For some weird reason, I haven't been able to find good green peppers in the last 3 weeks, so all I've been stuck with is yellow, orange, and red. But that's okay. I'm going to lower my flame to low. I'm going to cover my pot for 15 minutes on low. At the end of those 15 minutes, this is personal preference. I cut up some cilantro really small. It gives it this little extra freshness of flavor, and it also looks really pretty when you're plating. And you're done. You have made pechuga guisada in no time. This plate is so yummy and it goes really well with some white rice. Because of the sauce/gravy, it's perfect with some plain white rice. But if you want to take it to mom level and make your habichuelas guisada and some salad and some plátano maduros on the side, I'm not mad at you. Enjoy that. Thank you for watching, cousins. See you again next time.